Hi viewers, what you're looking at here today is a 1986 Hunter Original low profile. This is one of the ones that showed up in June throughout the fan community, and I got it on June 30th. Here's a look at the tag. These blades came off my white 1999 Hunter Original because the ones it came with weren't the best. I also don't have a ball in that socket. Low speed. Yeah, this is like an off-white. These originals from the 80s came in like this airplane gray color, which I find kind of cool. So it doesn't quite match the light kit, but it's still white. I don't care. It's got Harbor Breeze poles. I don't care because it's all I have on me right now. It's not perfectly balanced, but it's not that bad. It's medium speed, obviously. It's already pushing out pretty good air. This is about as fast as the previous fan was going on high speed. High speed. And as expected, pushes out a crap ton of air, especially being this close. Off speed. So you can see the spin down. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, rate 5 stars, and peace out.